thought we were all done here, but the power went out because of a windstorm, and now they don't have hot water. So we already welcomed ARTTIC in the family.
He got that F-150!
And we are on our first service call.
On this fine rainy day.
Rainy, cold day.
Yes.
And these heated seats feel lovely on this cold day.
Man, this heated steering wheel feel lovely on this cold day. Nice and toasted. From the bottom all the way to the top.
Wow.
Y'all know how many times I had to get in my truck with full winter gloves on? Because it was about to be a cold ride.
Man, just thinking about how the heat wasn't working or barely working.
Crazy.
Man, I remember times where we were literally taking covers, like, okay, just in case. That's crazy. The heat kicking and it's feeling good.
Yeah.
So we about to get to where we're going. This is our first time going to do maintenance using our new baby ARTTIC.
2 people called us for work too, so we got a government job quote, and someone else wanted like a clean out done, so that'd be like the way we can hook up the dumpster and use that bad baby. I don't know if y'all can see that heads up display right there.
So we about to bend some corners, y'all.
Definitely a little tight over here.
It's kind of funny that we pulling up, y'all, in our new babe. I know our neighbors will be so mad about these dueling wheels.
Yeah, we back, neighbors.
Tearing up our grass.
For our first time pulling it in to what used to be our family home. We actually transformed this. If y'all didn't see that process, check it out. So the issue is the hot water is not working, y'all. And as y'all can see, there is a service needed light on. They actually said they tried to reset it already and still had the issue. So what they did already was hit that clear alarm because the power went out and usually it just needed a refresh for that. And Ty even told them like, hey, is there any water on the floor? And there's no water. Ooh, hold on, I gotta mention his paint still look good, y'all. But anyway, back to the issue at hand. So what's the first thing you're gonna try to do to resolve it?
So I'm gonna log in first.
Okay. So I guess that's the cool thing about these updated water heaters. You can actually download the app to try to, diagnose and see what's the issue. So technology can be cool, but sometimes it can give a headache when you're trying to connect, especially working with Wi-Fi. But I can see that Baden already went and he just kind of touched these to see if they were warm at all. And from my findings, I guess they weren't warm when you touched them either, huh? So we're gonna go ahead and see if resetting this other switch will help it. Remove installation. It was like a red button. That looked like a, oh no, that ain't.
Yeah, that's a button. I look like some screws.
What?
That's the element.
Oh shoot, hold up. Was that
That's
the
what
wrong
heat the
system?
water.
Oh, was that the
It's the
top?
top,
Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. Shout out to people who take the time to make these videos, y'all.
Man.
Because that show is at the top. I done told him at the bottom, I'm sorry. But it still look slightly different.
With a button?
Right, it ain't in there. Oh, is it?
Yeah.
All the way in the inside. I wonder is that what it's pressing?
It ain't even popped out. It might have just needed reset.
Oh, hold on.
Like when I reset the breaker in there, because the code went away. The service needed code.
Oh, I didn't know that.
But I wanted to see an update in the app and see what the previous issue was.
So Ty turned into my official glove holder, but went ahead and did a little test again to see if it feel like it's warming up, and it is.
Well, first of all, Ray got her gloves on my head like I'm a glove head.
Yes, my official glove holder. So what you doing, glove holder?
Standing here being a glove holder. No, but we reset the panel, and I just tested the water, so we do got hot water coming out. So I think we good to go. It's just still heating up.
Yeah.
It's gonna heat up to 130. I need to ask them if that temperature is too hot.
Y'all remember over here?
Ooh, that hot. That hot. We gone. We about to go hop in ARTTIC.
Because it's too hot down here.
Right. Too hot down there. Now I need to go cool off.
Right.
Cool seats. You feel me?
So basically, we gonna just let it keep doing its thing.
So it's gonna keep heating up.
Okay.
And then I got this boy locked for real, so little kids can come down here and get to pressing buttons and stuff. So
Good idea, because it's so definitely a little kid here.
I might actually need to ask him why was that water too hot before.
ARTTIC in the rain, y'all. At the stumping ground, at one of our stumping grounds. Look, they dropped this in there and it was like doom. It felt like it fell to Neverland. How deep that is. Like, okay.